If you have to see localized pulsation, specifically localized, so then you use the tip of the fingers. Okay, so heave, basically parasternal heave. So either by this part, so this part basically you can see the heave or lift, and thrill basically are used for this part. In general, I'm telling you, localized pulsations over here, thrills are more appreciated this part, and heave or lift basically they are appreciated at this part. Okay, done. So thrill is so parasternal thrill basically is like a purring of the cat, like a purring of the cat, and you're gonna use the medial border of the palm. Okay, so this basically over for the heave and lift, you're gonna put the medial border of the palm, you're gonna put, and that's it, finish. And you're going to put in all the four areas. So medial border over here, so medial border over here, and over here, and over here. That's it, finished. Now percussion. Cardiology, we don't do percussion, it is a limited value, we don't do that. But you basically define the, in the percussion, you know, you can define the upper border of the liver. So upper border of the liver, by percussion you can mention the upper border of the liver. So percuss from the infraclavicular area till you feel the dullness. It's like a liver span we calculate in the per abdomen examination. It will be like this, like this, like this, like this. So over here, see, there's no sound here, and see over here. Can you see that? Can you see the dull note on percussion? It's a resonant note, duck, duck, duck. It tuck, 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 like that. So that's what. So you percuss, percuss, percuss. From resonant, you will go dull, and that is the upper border of the lever. So that you can do over in percussion. In cardiology, you can just mention regarding the upper border of the liver. Then in step 2, you're gonna define the right heart border. In step 3, you're gonna define the left heart border. So right heart border, again, how do you do? Percuss inwards from the right mid clavicular line. So right mid clavicular line is there. Okay, you percuss, percuss, percuss in each of the 5 intercostal spaces and come medial. Okay, so you percuss, percuss, you come little medial, come little medial. You percuss, come little medial. You percuss, come little medial. You percuss, come little medial. So here basically you percuss that, you're gonna have the right heart border. Left heart border, how do you do? Same, you on the left heart border you percuss the inwards at from the mid axillary line. So tuck, 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 tuck. You come little closer like that. Percuss inwards from the mid axillary line, and that is the left heart border. So in percussion, the book has told just the upper border of liver I can mention, and right and left heart border I can mention. Last is auscultation. How do you auscultate? By using a stethoscope. So we have the bell, this is a diaphragm, this is the ear tips, we have the oral tube, this is the headset proper, and this is known as the bigger one is the diaphragm, the smaller one is the bell. Okay, and these are the tubing. Now, so this is very importantly, so one is the diaphragm and one is the bell. Okay, so if you're using the bell basically, so for the low frequency sounds, basically we use the bell 35 to 150 hertz sounds. Okay, and diaphragm, the bigger one, the diaphragm, it is used for the high frequency sounds. Okay, high frequency sounds. Okay, number one. Number two, areas of auscultation, we all know that right second intercostal space, left second intercostal space, mitral area, and the tricuspid area, that we have already spoken about it. Apart from these, this is an interesting point. Apart from these 4 areas of auscultation, what are the other areas of auscultation? Where else will you auscultate? You're gonna auscultate both infraclavicular area, infraclavicular area. You're gonna auscultate the axillary, carotid area, interscapular area, and femoral, brachial, and popliteal area also you're going to auscultate. We don't do it, but if examiner asks you, you please mention this point, they might do. Okay, acha, this is very nice point. Now, where to auscultate? There is something known as inching technique. Book has written there is something known as inching technique. Sir, you told main 4 areas. No, this is the aortic, pulmonary, mitral, tricuspid. Which one should I touch first? First is mitral, apex, apex, apex. Mitral area you will auscultate. You go 1 inch down to the tricuspid area. then 1 inch up, 1 inch up, 1 inch up to the left second intercostal space, and 1 inch here to the right second intercostal space, like that. This is known as inching technique. Basically, from the mitral, you go to the apex, okay, and apex over here, and from the apex, then you go to the tricuspid, like basically, then you have the tricuspid area you will going, and from tricuspid, then you have the pulmonary, and then you have the aortic. So 1, 2, like up and up. This is the inching technique you should know.